One more essential task before we get into the fun marketing tasks. It's about moisture. Get good at finding moisture defects. Every building, doesn't matter where it's located, regardless of geographical location or climate, is battling against water and moisture intrusion. So be confident in your knowledge and skills on inspecting for moisture intrusion during a home inspection. Click the link here to get to a video about inspecting for moisture and how to become certified in moisture intrusion inspections. We have another link on how to become a certified moisture intrusion inspector with that logo. Remember, you get the training, the certification, and then you upload that logo into your marketing. There are 3 steps. First one is you got to join InterNACHI. When you're a member of InterNACHI, you have a world of opportunity available to you at no cost. So InterNACHI members enjoy a lot of things that are online and free, and one of them is the Certified Moisture Intrusion Inspector training program and certification logo. Step 2 is you complete the certification requirements. You have to be certified to become certified in something else. You have to be a certified professional inspector in order to attain other additional certifications. And that's step 3. Complete the InterNACHI free online How to Inspect for Moisture Intrusion course. And then you get access to that beautiful logo, InterNACHI Certified Moisture Intrusion Inspector. So think about ancillary inspections. Think about a particular ancillary inspection that every home deals with. It is a lot of fun to find moisture problems in a house. Moisture meter, infrared camera, it's great. But you have to be trained and certified. So click the links and start working on becoming a certified moisture intrusion inspector. It's free and online. And then we'll get to some marketing tasks.